Hi guys, I am back. It has definitely been a while. I have been working on some projects in the background and I have some pretty exciting stuff coming up, but I will tell you about that another day. Today I'm going to show you my favourite V60 recipe, at least for the moment. It's what I brew with every time I brew V60, or most of the time, and it's really good, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. I've received a lot of requests for V60, so I hope for you guys that have been asking that this video helps you out. So in this recipe I like to draw out the brew with 4 pours, and that allows me to really extract all of the flavour from the coffee. And it works really well for kind of higher density coffees, so think light roasted coffees or African coffees. Those kinds of coffees this recipe is perfect for. Alright, so before we start brewing, let's set up. So today I'm going to be brewing this coffee roasted by my friend Adel Kirsch from Kirsch Cafe Roastery here in Stockholm. It's a super beautiful Colombian coffee produced by Rodolfo of Productor Coffee. I'll link his bio both of their bios in the description, so make sure you check him out. I think a few of you might know Rodolfo. Yeah, he's a bit of a character. So I have 18 grams of coffee here, ground on coarse, and I have my water here set on 96 degrees. You kind of want the water, very hot. So if you've got the variable temp, 96 is perfect. Otherwise, just go straight off the boil. The idea is that you want the hottest water possible to really get into the coffee and extract those flavors. So let's get into it. Like I said earlier, we're going to do 4 pours. So I like to pour every 40 seconds and try to finish my pour in about 15-20 seconds. So first up, I have 18 grams of coffee. And then let's go. So first I'm going to do a bloom of 30 grams. And I'm going to let that bloom until 40 seconds. Okay, perfect. And then at 40 seconds I'm going to add 90 grams of water, which is going to take my total brew weight to 120 grams. Now at 1 minute 20, I'm going to add 90 more grams to bring my total brew volume to 210 mil, or 210 grams. And then at 2 minutes, I'll add 90 more grams to bring our total brew volume for this recipe to 300 mil, or 300 grams. And that means a ratio of 18 grams to 300 mil of water. And then directly after I finish pouring up to 300, I take the V60 and I do a little spin, and then I just knock it down. I got that trick from Scott Rao. I don't know if that's exactly how he does it, but I just find that it helps me get all of the coffee to settle on the bottom nicely, and I get a beautiful flat bed and nice even extraction. So after that, I let the coffee draw down, and the total brew time should be around 3 minutes 15 to 3 minutes 30. Okay, so there we have it. This one brewed at 3 minutes 30, so that's a good time. I'm happy with that. And there we have it. That is my current favourite recipe for V60. Like I said, it works really well for light roasted coffees or African coffees, things that are a bit higher density, and the extended time really helps us get into the coffee and bring out all the flavour. If you brew it at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and tell me what you think. And I'll also be dropping my guide to V60 sometime this week, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. I hope it's helpful. I hope you guys are brewing some great coffee at home, and I will see you guys next time. Happy brewing!